I'm Kimmy from Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden, and today I am attempting to make a chicken dust bath using a child's old playhouse. That's that all washed now. Now I'm going to put it there. Hello. The windows are zip tied together. I'm going to put wood around the edges and get some sand to put it in. I'm not sure if it's going to blow away or not. Might get some bricks and put them at the side. I might take the door off in the future. So that's that done. Now I'm just going to get some bricks and put them around the edges so that it doesn't blow away in the wind because it's pretty windy. And in the future I'm going to, when I've got time, I'm going to build a wooden frame in the inside and just fill it with sand and stuff like that they need for a dust bath. It doesn't stay completely dry in there, but it'll help a lot and they seem to like it. I'll give them something extra to do while they're in lockdown. Thanks for watching everyone. Subscribe if you want to stay updated. I try to upload weekly. Like and comment. I always reply to my comments.